everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am attempting to do something with this ratty old lady here. I'm calling it ratty because it just looks real like y'all should see it on. It's horrible. And I bought it because it was real cheap. So first of all, $39.99. It's a bump wig that you probably have seen in many of your local beauty supplies. I wanted a pixie cut without actually straightening my hair, because if you've seen my last video, you know by now that I did my third big chop. So I want this journey to be way more healthy and just clean and no straightening whatsoever. It's also a test run, so if it goes really well, then I'll end up buying some real hair and cutting and styling it myself as well. Okay. final result. I think I got it to look like what I envisioned. The great part about this being a wig is that I can just pull it forward and have it be as low as I want it to be, the bangs, or push it up and have it be a little farther away. I'm just like loving it. Then I can also just go to bed. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.